Hi everyone, welcome back. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next videos. And if you'd like to see something a bit more personal, you can always find the link to my private space in the bio. Today I'm taking a quiet moment to refresh the hallway. It's a small space, but it always feels important. It's the first thing you see when you enter the home and the last before you leave. I like when it looks calm, clear, and bright. There's something peaceful about routines like this. Even the simplest ones can shift the mood completely. Cleaning for me is a way to slow down, to create a sense of balance. When everything around feels clean and in order, it somehow clears the mind too. I think of these quiet moments as small pauses in the middle of the day, a short time to reconnect with the space, with myself, and with the rhythm of calm. It's not about perfection, it's about presence. When the home feels light and cared for, it becomes easier to breathe, to think, and to rest. And even something as small as this can bring a quiet kind of joy. Thank you for spending this moment with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more calm, transparent cleaning routines. And if you'd like to see something more personal, you'll find the link in my bio. See you in the next video.